हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं मिस्टर अनोनिमस और आप देख रहे हो सीखो एथिकल हैकिंग यूट्यूब चैनल.
That today we are going to create a virus. In this video you will learn that how to create the virus in Termux app, and using this virus you can delete all the contacts, videos and photos of the mobile. So before starting the video I would say that don't use this tool in any illegal way. If you do, then I am not responsible for anything. So let's start the video without any delay. So to install the virus tool in your Termux, first you have to type a command apt update. Wait until it's working. It may take bit time, and then all packages are up to date. Now type a command apt upgrade. Okay, all things are newly installed. Now you have to type a command pkg install git. Now install it, press Y and continue. Now it's installing. Just it may take bit time to install. Okay, now it installed. Now you have to type a command git clone and a URL. I will give this URL in my description. From the description you can copy this URL and paste here, and using this URL you can install this tool. Now press enter. Okay, now it's creating. Okay, now the tool is installed in my Termux. Let's see, ls. Okay, as you can see the virus tool is installed here. Now to run this tool you need to type a command, type cd or paste the above one, z capital V IRUS GEN. Now enter. As you can see it open. Now press ls. Okay, now you have to start this virus tool using a command bash z virus. Now enter. As you can see, now the tool is installed in my device, and as per the YouTube's guideline I cannot share you the process how it will work. If you want to know the process how this virus works, so go to the description and check my website link. In the blog I will tell you the process to use this virus tool. And if you love my video, please like and subscribe my channel and share my video and comment for more interesting videos. Thank you.